Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make a door in Revit and can be able to open and close in different angles. Under the families, I'll click new and I'll go to English and I'll select metric door template. That's up to you. If you want, you can select imperial. I'm going to do with millimeter, so I'll select metric door family template. So the metric family door template will be like this in your 3D view. Here, this is the 3D view. In default, there will be a frame. So here, when you select, you can change the size and everything, right? So here, go to family types. We can change the height. We can change the width. For example, 2200 apply. Yeah. 1500 the width apply. Right. So like that, it's already made like that. So I will make it the default one. Right. Now first we will make a frame inside. These frames are only in the outside. So this part also I have to make the frame. So I'll go to exterior view. In the create tab, I'll select extrusion. Right. I'll take a rectangular tool and I'll click here and here and lock the constraint. Here, see the padlock, click on the black padlock, because when you change the width and height, the whole thing should be accordingly, it should to be changed. That's why I'm locking the constraint. Now click pick line, make it 15, offset 15, and here if you feel the lines are thicker, go to your scale. I will make it 1 to 5. That's up to you. Accordingly, I just here. So the line will be clear. I will select the split tool first. Split element. I'll split this half. And I'll select the trim and extend tool. And I'll click on the remaining one what we need here. So it will be trim. You have to click the remaining part. But we want to remain here also. We want this to remain. Right. Now here also we have to lock the constraint. So here take the line dimension. Click here and here. Because when you change the width and the height, this offset, this thickness also should be accordingly sized. That's why. Yeah. Click that one. Click the padlock, same like here also. You'll find the padlock. Yeah. Right. Now modify create extrusion, click finish. Now we have to adjust this depth. So go to the right view, right or left, here see. Pull this one to up to this edge. Reduce this one to this edge. So it will be 175. Because the wall width is 150, the thickness is 12.5, 12.5. This side, that's fine. Right. Now go to the 3D view and take a look here. Right. Now we will join these two frames. So here click join. Select this one and this one. So these two are joined. Rotate it to other side. Again click the join and click. Right. Now if you want, you can change the material also. Later also we can change the material. We'll change it later. Right. Now we'll make the door panel for the reference. So go to your reference level, top view. Create. First we will create a reference plane for the hinge point to rotate. Click the reference plane. From this point to a little bit extended. Side also a little bit full to extend. Click there and name it HP hinge point. Right. Now we have to make a reference line for our door panel. So click the reference line here and from here draw a reference line up to 1000. Initially we will make it 1000, but it's not right. Okay. Right. Here to align, after drawing this reference line, we have to align that one. To align before the line is too thick, I will make this one 1, 2, 5. So it clearly you can see the line. Now watch carefully, click the alignment tool and select your reference plane and move the mouse over that point and press the tab key. You'll get a point. Click and lock the constraint. Same like click the line. Again select this reference plane and move the mouse here and press the tab key. You'll get a point and lock that constraint. Now see here we have to think this one. Select this one. Right? No. Check the modify tool and select it. It should be 985. Anyway, 70. So we have to select this dimension. Right, and make it 970. Before we have to create a parameter. So carefully select this dimension here. Right. Now see, it's selected. You have to carefully select that one. Select that one. Create a parameter, say door panel width. Make it instant parameter, because when you are using more than one doors, you can change it to different parameters. Press OK. Now go to family types. Here the door which is going to be width minus 30 millimeter. Right, so this spelling, right, it's automatically when you change anything, you change the width, it will become automatically, right? And click apply and apply. Right. Now we'll go to our 3D view and we'll create our door panel. Click create, extrusion. The depth I will give 30, and we have to set the plane. We have to draw the door panel in this reference line vertically. So click set work plane, click work plane, and move the mouse over the reference line and press the tab key. So it will change to vertical. Click now. Now take the rectangle from here, from that point to this point. The height will be 985. Lock the constraint. Lock the constraint. Right. Take the. We will go to the interior view or the exterior view. Right, this is the interior. It's angled, so that's why it's showing like that. Take the align dimension, make it here. You create this one and select that one. Take the modify tool here. Door panel height. Make it instant. Right, press OK. Go to family types. Door panel height also will give a height with the existing height minus 15. One side, no, 15 millimeter. And press apply. OK. So same like for the panel width also, we can select the dimension here to here. Carefully. Move that one. That will be, we have to go to 3D view, because this will be its angle, no, right? So go to the 3D view. Align. I'm not sure if it will accept in 3D view. No. So we'll see in the exterior view. line dimension, we can't do it in because it will show a different size. Because it's, yeah. Okay, so we'll delete that one. We will link that one later. Right. Now we can finish this one. Right. Now go to your 3D view. Here, see. Right. Now we have to set the angle parameter. So go to the reference level, top view. Select this door and right click. Sorry. Select the door and here see. In the temporary height isolate, click there, isolate the element. Sorry. Select this one, isolate the element. It's going other side. Isolate the hide element. So hide element, not isolate. Hide element. So you can now see the reference line. In the modify, click angular dimension from here to here. Select angle and take the modify tool. Click the create parameter. Say door angle. Make that one instant variable. Okay. Right. Now here click again here. Reset temporary hide isolation. Now we can rotate it. Now we can assign the materials. I'll select this one. Click edit extrusion. Go to material. I'll create a new material. I'll say door frame. Door frame. Click this one. Materials library. Go to wood. Select a wood whatever you like. I'll select mahogany. It's up to you. Double click. And here apply and apply. And click finish. Now go to realistic. Yeah. Select the door panel. Click edit extrusion. Click the material. Create new material. Rename door panel. Right. Appearance library. For that one also I will give wood. Right, that's up to you. Select a right and right, I'll select this plywood new. Okay, that's up to you. Materials apply. Okay, and click finish. Now see, go to family types. Here the angle 45 and apply. Nice. So 90 degrees. Yeah. You want to close, you can make it 0 and apply. You want to open a little bit, 20, apply. Right. So try this one. I hope you enjoyed the video and learn how to make a door in Revit and can be able to close and open in different angles. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, please comment in the below comment window.